Greetings YouTube, if you're watching this you're in for another banger of a video. Today I'm going to open up some mystery bundle garbage. So let's get right into that. If any of you guys have ever opened these up, you already know that these things are kind of notoriously bad. They're just filled with like common cards and like one reverse. So we'll do a pack trick, which is one to the front, or yeah, to the front, to the back. And we got the fairy energy. It's no longer needed. A nice Evolutions Tangela and Machop, Weedle, Onyx, Staryu. Alright, that's enough of that. Ooh, it's a cool little Larvitar from 2016. Coughing. I guess the cool thing about these packs is they do throw some older common cards in there. Stuff to where it's ridiculously expensive for an entire pack. And Chandler, our second mystery. Psychic Energy, Leaf, Psychic Memory, Fairy Drops, Nincada, Voltorb, Rockruff, Malamar, Kakuna, Machoke, Tropius, Eldegoss, or I don't know, Morpeko, Horsey, Camarant, Thwackey, and Alolan Dugtrio. Now that I think of it, I don't think I've ever seen anybody pull anything crazy out of one of these. I think these are supposed to be made as cheap as possible. You know, a company buys bulk cards and then they just give them away. Sorry, I was mesmerized by that Charmander for a second. Here's our last pack of Pokemon mystery garbage, and next we'll move on to Yu-Gi-Oh! Mystery garbage. That's a cute little Pikachu. Alright, now up for the big boy. Let's get right into it. Alright. So those cards were kind of strewn in there haphazardly, but I've got them all out now. So, if any of you guys are Yu-Gi-Oh fans, please let me know if I got anything good. A Kaiba token. Shitting Angel. I do remember those ugly mugs from when I was a kid. Oh, and that one. The Blue Eyes White Dragon. Limited edition. I do know this is a good card, I think. I don't know if this is a reprint or what, but it does say limited edition on it. The Baby Dragon. Proxy Dragon. Universal Adapter. And Wind Up Zen Maintenance. Oh, and number 68 Sharp. Number 68 Sanafond the Sky Prison. Alright, and here we've got 3 packs. Oh yeah, this is a blast from the past. When I played Yu-Gi-Oh! Man, I remember a lot of these ones. But the card game is way too complicated for my tiny, tiny brain nowadays to comprehend. Yu-Gi-Oh! Players are just a whole different breed of fucked and crazy. A googly-eyed drum dragon. Business. And it wouldn't be a proper video without actually opening up a pack of Pokemon cards, so let's get this blister out of the way. We got Bronzong, Duot, Yanmega, Cyndaquil, Hisuian Quillfish, Hisuian Growlithe, Bergmite, Rufflet, a Hoothoot Trainer Gallery card, and a non-hollow Hisuian Arcanine. Well, that's the end of this video, guys. If you liked it, leave a comment, like, subscribe. If you dislike it, disliked it. If you dislike it, dislike it. Yeah, I'll be back at some point. See ya.